Okay, here we go again. Dodge Challenger drift car. They sure did make a lot of Dodge Challengers for 2011 new models, didn't they? Here's another one to add to the fine collection. Red. And they made a green one. And then they made a blue one. Red, green, and blue. Common colors for the common household. Or the common Hot Wheels. All black bases. Old Jason's black bases. That's my name, Jason. Don't wear it out, I'll tell you the same. I'll just keep on saying it. Man. Banjo. Playing the banjo. Dodge. Dodjo. Dodgeball. Dodgerino. That's my stomach growling.